So today we're out in Rosendale. We're applying fungicide to wheat with a Hylio 150 drone. We're applying it at 2 gallons an acre. With fungicide, that's an adequate amount. We're getting good coverage. The drone's equipped with flow meters that are calibrated to have the exact amount. So we're measuring down to the 1/100th of a gallon of the product being dispensed. The drone's keeping a live record of the acres it's covering as it goes across the field, as well as measuring the product that we're mixing and filling the drone with. We're keeping a very, very precise measurement on what's getting out here on each field. The importance of that is obviously cost. We don't want to be over applying anything. A fungicide can be up to over $20 an acre for just the products, and on top of our application rate, which can range from $10 to $15 per acre. We want to be utilizing our product the best we can, and also not to be wasteful. The application rate on these products are set, so we know what we need to be spraying and don't need to overbuy to get the same result.